Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Fruitake. Last time our Nothing Phone 1 got the new Nothing OS 3.0 update, which has lots of amazing features and some great UI changes. You can check its in-depth review from the link of video given in Icard. Yesterday we got the new update of 200 MB which added some interesting features in the Nothing OS 3.0. So today in this video we are going to thoroughly review this new Nothing OS 3.0 update. We are going to discuss how to manually flash this update if it didn't got this update in the OTA section. We reviewed all the features and the fixes done by the Nothing team. We also did small performance and the CPU throttle test of this update. At the end, we shown some interesting bug of this update, so don't miss that timeline of this video. So watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. Before updating your device must be on the old Nothing OS 3.0 version. In the OT update section, I still didn't got this update, so I will discuss how to flash this update manually. To flash this update, download the new incremental OTA file. Its link is given in the video description. Create a new folder named as OTA in your storage and then transfer the newly downloaded OTA file inside this folder. Now go to the stock dialer, there type ##682 ##. You will get the new manual update screen. Here just tap on the directly apply OTA from the select option. That's it. The flashing of the new update will start. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, tap on the reboot. So our device is updated to the latest Nothing OS 3.0 update. Let's check out the about device details of the new update. Nothing OS version is same, it's 3.0, but the build number is now updated to the new Space War 3.0, dated 18 Feb 2025. Android version is same, it's Android 15. Security patch is now updated to the latest Feb 2025, except that other things will remain same like code build. Now let's check out the new changes and the features of this update. In the settings and under the special feature option in the gesture setting for the 3-button navigation gestures, you get the toggle name as the long press home button to access the assistant. This will quickly give the access to your favorite assistants like Gemini by just long pressing the home button of the navbar. In the customization section, we get the 8 different wallpapers. You can check them here. All are the new and crafted by the Nothing team to glorify your home screen. Next are some unique features. First one is the new power off verify option. This is available in the special feature of setting. This is similar like the Oxygen security feature. Here you can add the password or the pattern. So whenever you try to power off or restart your device, you need to put your password or the pattern. This will protect your device from the theft. If they will steal your device, they can't able to power off or turn on your device. This is a very useful feature, but there is a big bug I got for this feature that I will show you in the bugs timeline of this video. Next is the new long awaited circle to search feature. This feature is also buggy, so we'll check that in the bugs timeline, so don't miss that part. Next, in the experimental feature section, you get the new option called as the dot matrix font style for the header of the setting. This will add the old dot matrix font style to the header of the settings in your device. Except the headings, other subtitles will remain in the N-style fonts of the new Nothing OS 3.0. Except this, some new widgets are now available in the widget setting. The first one is the new timer widgets and the new square-shaped gallery widget which offers synchronization of photos. We already created in the preview of these widgets, you can check them from the Icard video. New Nothing OS 3.0 gallery widget has the square-shaped gallery widget which now offers the new synchronization feature with your Nothing devices. Just tap on the share option, accept the terms and the condition, tap on the sharing. Now log in to your Google account. Now You will get the link to share your gallery content with any other Android devices. Who gets the link sharing button in the widget so you can share its content anytime. This widget will synchronize its content in a real time with other Nothing devices in your family which has this widget on their devices. Both of these widgets were not available in the old Nothing OS 3.0 build. Now they are available and fully functional. Next are some fixes done by the Nothing team. First one is the swipe down access of the QS panel in the landscape mode has significantly faster than the previous build. Similarly, the settings panel response speed is more improved as compared to the previous builds. Next, Nothing team has enhanced the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and the system stability. In terms of the system stability, device running very fluid and smooth. But after testing the Geekbench performance, I was surprised. I got the score of 890 and 2559, which were significantly lower than the average database of the Geekbench for Nothing Phone 1. As per the database, Nothing Phone 1 has 1008 and 2854 score for the single and multi-core respectively. Similarly, for the OpenGL, I got the score of 2091, while for the database has the score of 2235. For Hulkan Graphics API, I got the score of 2490 and in the Geekbench database, the scores was 2590. All of these results are lower than the Geekbench database for new update. But these scores didn't affect the performance of the Nothing Phone 1, it's still fluid as usual. I also did the multi-thread thermal throttling test of this update for 10 minutes. The temperature during test risen up to 44 degrees Celsius. Total throttling was happened to 2% and the total temperature risen up to 7 degrees Celsius. My device ranked on the 813 number out of 2568 devices tested for the multi-thread CPU throttling test for this application. So we can say that the new update can do well with the heavy applications like games and the editing for short-term duration only, but it may throttle more if you continue the heavy task for longer duration on this device. Now comes the most important part, that is the bugs of this new update. The most anticipated feature like circle to search is now added in this update, but I didn't got it working. It's not working in my device. I didn't got the new circle to search toggle inside the navigation mode and the gesture setting of the special feature. You can check this setting in your device. If you got it, you can enable the mentioned toggle and can enjoy this feature by long pressing your navbar pill. Similarly, the new power off verify is also not working in my device. Even though I added the password to my device, I tried to power off and reboot the device, but I didn't got any prompt to unlock my device. This is terrible. Some users saying these features will automatically get activated after some time or after one day of the update. So I'm waiting and will report if they will be available after some time or not. If you also got such issues, please message in the comment section so Nothing team will fix these bugs as soon as possible. So this is all about the new update. If you guys liked our work, then please do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content for Nothing devices. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.